Hey there everyone, STRAT Business Solutions over here. In this video, I will be discussing digital designs, or otherwise known as graphic designs. You might be asking yourself, what is a digital design? Well, a digital design is an electronic-based design that we can design for you guys for marketing purposes. This may include logos, birthday cards, event posters, or perhaps wedding cards as well. In this video, I will be demonstrating to you guys different demos of what we can create and exactly what we offer here at STRAT Business Solutions.
Okay, everyone. So I'm now on my Dropbox, and on my Dropbox we have a couple of designs that I want to show you. The first design we'll start with is this design at the very top. So this is our logo icon for Strat Business Solutions. This is our logo icon. I want to just explain what it does. So basically, the S over here stands for software, and the T that's over here in the center stands for technology. So STRAT, as you know, stands for Software, Technology, Refinement, Automation, and Trust. So this is the symbol that we've decided to design for ourselves. This is just one example of the designs that we've come up with, but this is the symbol that we're going to use for STRAT. Okay. Here's another example of the same symbol, but with a white. It's white on transparent. I don't know if you can see that, but it's basically white and transparent. If I go out of this. Okay, here's another design of the logo. This one here says Strat Business Solutions. This was designed by my colleague who works with me. He put in this special design here for automation to specifically say, hey, this is a company that specializes in automation, which I thought was pretty cool. Okay, here's the next design. So this one has Strat Business Solutions, and it's got like almost like a 8 with two dots, one above and one in the center. I'm not too sure what the idea was for this specific design, but I can say for one thing, it's very creative. It's got a lot of, it's got some dimension to it, but it's just lacking a little bit. But I really do like this design. I wouldn't rate this anything less than 5 out of 10. So good design here, yeah. Okay, here's another example of a design that we came up with. If I can just find it for you guys. So this is actually a very good design. This reminds me a lot about it reminds me a lot about how you would use how databases would connect to each other, how you would have like nodes connect to each other. So this design was actually one of our top designs that we had, and I really admire it because it has the points between. So I took inspiration from this design to create our actual logo, and I can honestly say that this is something that I can see us using in the future for some projects that we might be working with. So yeah, very good design here. Okay, and that's all the logo designs that we've come up with. So I want to demonstrate a few other designs. So here's an example of a wedding card. So as you can see, it has the wedding, the family names. It has the bride and the groom, other way around. This is the groom, this is the bride. So it also has the date of the wedding. It's got the day, it's got the time, and it's got the dates, and plus it's got the location. So that's actually a very good design. The one of my teammates, the one who designed this one, actually she went out of her way here. You can see that there's some elements here such as transparent. She's using some elements here to duplicate specific patterns, and she's just made it so beautiful. There's so much of symmetry in this design, so much of artwork, and this is just a beautiful design. Okay. Here's another design. Say for instance you have a kid's birthday party and you want us to design a poster for that party. This is a brilliant design that my colleague has come up with. She has managed to definitely illuminate the aspect of it being a child's birthday party. Like, it's kind of wacky and it's kind of cheerful and joyful. It has a very light-hearted spirit to it. I just love this design so much, and it's got a lot of details. It's got all the specific details such as the child's age, it's got the date, and it's got the location. So brilliant design here. Love this a lot. Okay, and going on to the next design. So this is actually the design for the thumbnail for this video. If you've noticed the thumbnail on YouTube, it looks exactly like this. So over here, I've actually taken a picture of myself, and I've managed to put this picture on a background. And as you can see, if you look closely at the picture and you try to zoom in, I think you'll see. I don't know if it's this picture. Hold on. I think it might be this one here. Nope, it's not showing. Okay, so sorry about that. Okay, it doesn't really matter, but basically there's like an outline on this picture that kind of makes it stand out in this specific design. You can't really see the outline, but it's there. And this is just a beautiful way of demonstrating how we can creatively take pictures of people, take pictures of actual things in reality, and put them into this dimensional format of a digital design or a graphic design. And also at the same thing, you can see there's like these patterns in the back, like these triangles and stuff. This isn't a background that I found on the internet. This is a background that I've managed to create on my own, that I've managed to make on my own. And this picture I did take from the internet, and I was able to merge it with the background such that it didn't have the white layers on top of it. Instead, now it's kind of transparent and it's like merged. And then because it's a digital design, it kind of looks like how you get like numbers that are digital numbers, like the number 8, 6, 5, 4, all those digital numbers. It's kind of that kind of format. So the heading is in that format. And then over here on the side here, it's our old STRAT Business Solutions logo. I think I'll replace that. So that's also something that I need to replace. But this is a design that we've come up with. And finally, the last design is actually a music pick. Okay guys, as for the last video we have here, where it's basically, as I've mentioned, it's a music pick. And I'm gonna just play a bit of it to show you guys exactly what happens when you Okay, let's go to the end of this and see what it sounds like. Okay, so that's basically this design here. So just to illustrate what this design has, so we have we have the title Durban Art Science Center, we have Join Us, and there's a picture of Swami and his devotees. At the bottom panel, there's actually a venue, a time, a day, and a dress code. And as you can see, there's a lot of elements here that have been described in the previous graphics. So in this one, there's like also images that have transparent backgrounds that are overlapping in specific areas. But what makes this one a bit different from the others is that it's a music pick. So it is something different and it looks pretty good. Right, so that's all the graphic design stuff that I wanted to show you guys. So I will now transition to myself.
Okay everyone, did you enjoy this video? If you did, please make sure that you subscribe and make sure that you like the video, comment if you would like, and let us know if you would like a product or a service or some sort of graphic design done for you guys. And always remember that we are a company that's open to all sorts of different ideas. So if you have some sort of tech app that you want to develop, if there's something that you would like to bring to the table, if you have some sort of graphic design that you're interested in, feel free to give us a call. My number is 078-019-0983, and my email address is dashgovernor1910@gmail.com. Okay, thanks so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Strat out.